All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. I'm back once again. I'm trying to stick to a every other day upload schedule. So, sometimes it can be tough, obviously, with work and school and other things, other obligations, but I'm trying to stick with it. So I've got stuff that needs to be unboxed. I'm just trying to get that stuff cranked out. Let's jump into it. So we are going to do an update on our giveaway, but we're also going to unbox a watch from watchgang.com. So this is from their watch wheel. We'll get into that in a second, okay? In terms of our giveaway here, we're giving away this Wolf watch winder, okay? And we're going to give away an automatic watch as well, okay? So those two things have been given away. We announced that a couple videos back. We did announce that we're doing the giveaway. And there's 3 ways to enter, okay? So we just got to get this out of the way real quick. I'm sorry. I know you heard this probably in the last couple videos. But, listen, we want everyone to have a shot. We want to put it out there. Essentially, there's 3 ways. Or there's 3 pieces to entering, okay? And they're all very simple. So one is just follow this YouTube channel. Number 2, in the comment section down below, I will have my, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And then in the comment section down below, I will have my Instagram for Unbox and Chill, okay? I don't plug it or anything like that. It's kind of the first time I'm mentioning it and doing this for over a year. Give us a follow on Instagram. So it's just at Unbox and Chill. Give us a follow on Instagram. And lastly, the very last step is to go to the link down below where you can do the entry. Okay, you're going to put in your email address, and essentially that's how I'll contact you. So if you win. So I'll only contact you if you win. I just want to put that out there. I don't know if I said that in the previous videos. I'm only going to contact you if you win. I won't contact you for anything else. You're not going to get any sales. You're not going to get anything, telling you to do anything for me. There'll be no advertising from me at all. So this is just so that I can reach out and contact you in a secure way, okay? So do me a favor. Like I said, those 3 things. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. And then also, lastly, just drop your email address. So, okay? We are going to announce that. It does say on the website, but we are going to announce the winner on 1/1/21. So New Year's Day will come. I'm going to pull it up here. It'll all be transparent. I'm going to pull up the software that has all of the entries in it. And what we'll do is we'll let that generate a winner here live on air, and I'll send them an email. So I can't wait, okay? I do also want to say, so far, 64 entries. So I think last time there was 45 entries the day before yesterday. So today, 64, okay? So, hey, listen, the thing is again, there's not a lot of people. You can really jump in here and hopefully, walk away with something nice, okay? So let's move this out of the way. And let's, I guess I'll put this over here, actually. And I'll move my mouse right here. Okay, so we do have a new watch from watchgang.com. We're going to take a look at it here. This is it's from their Tier 1 wheel. It's about $50 to get into, but we're going to see what that entails. This particular brand, I've actually unboxed probably 2 or 3 different watches on the channel from them. I think that they provide good value for money, to be perfectly honest with you. It is a brand that's kind of synonymous with budget, but I think that they provide, again, for what they give you, you get your money's worth, is what I will say. So, and that brand is Sterling Original. So now, if you've watched the channel, like I said, you know that I've unboxed Sterling Original stuff here before. I've already opened it up and kind of looked at the specs and everything so that I can be ready. I've got the specs ready so I can hit you with all that information. So now this is a Sterling Original, okay? This is the Monaco. Let's take a look here. So you've got the sheath here. And you've got the typical fashion. What I really don't like is the Sterling color scheme here. The orange with I don't know if it's meant to look like it's sort of vintage here. I really hate the way these boxes look in terms of design. Just because, again, I did some of this work in my past. To me, I could design something that looks a little bit better, but whatever. We've got the loud orange box. So now in terms of the actual watch, we've got, or what's inside rather, you do have your typical warranty information, a quick start guide, instruction manual, those sort of things. And then, let's see here. Okay, a message of let's see, a message of sincerity for our valued customers and or for our valued collection and friends. I don't know, just the usual stuff that comes in here. We'll get rid of that, and then we've got the watch. So now, in terms of the watch, like I said, this is the Monaco, and basically, the name of the game is, would you like a Navi timer on a budget? Okay, so let's say you like the Breitling Navi timer, but you can't actually afford one. This would be your go-to, so, right? So this gives you the look of the Navi timer, but you don't actually come out of pocket any crazy amount of money here. So as you can see, like I said, that's pretty much what this is supposed to be. It does have, like I said, it's got the blue dial, as you can see there, kind of a blue dial with the sunburst kind of situation going on there. You do have 3 sub dials, okay? You've got some different functions on here. We will go over exactly what those functions are. As you can see, that's still got the sticker on the back of it. We'll go over exactly what those functions are, actually. But this is going to be a quartz piece. It is $50, so it's not a lot of money. And for me, I will say right off the bat that, let me see here. It's an excellent looking piece. It looks really nice, obviously, because it looks like a famous Breitling that everyone knows. But the real problem with this is, again, it's going to be if you're a snob, if you're someone who can't wear an homage, if you don't think that an homage should exist, you might have an issue with this. Me personally, like I said, I think as long as it's, just kind of bright or obviously displayed, it clearly says Sterling and not Breitling. It's not too bad. Again, not everyone can afford to spend what a Navi timer will cost. I'm going to pop it on the wrist here. As you can see, it is on this mesh bracelet, which is 20 millimeters. So it's on a 20 millimeter mesh bracelet, and it is signed Sterling Original on the clasp there. In terms of what I'm wearing in this video, I am wearing the Terra Cello Mare. So nice automatic chronograph, a little bit of a dressier piece. It did come on a blue leather. I did put this chunky mesh bracelet on it myself. So it's got 24 millimeter lugs on this, so it's real thick, real chunky on this. But I actually wanted to do an unboxing of this video. I'm sorry, an unboxing of this particular watch, just because it actually is kind of an epic experience with the box and everything, and kind of what it comes with and what it looks like. It's actually really nice. So really nice piece, automatic chronograph, which is really nice. But I'm going to put that to the side here, and we're going to try on this Sterling, okay? So give me 1 second. I'm going to pop it on the wrist here, and then we'll take a look at it on the camera. Oh, I think I bumped the camera. Hold on 1 second with me. There we go. Okay, cool. So we've got that snapped on here. And there it is. So I will say, it does have a presence to it. It really does kind of, it really is just kind of there, but it doesn't overpower, right? Where my TCM, my Terra Cello Mare, is a very big watch, and I think it kind of says, look at me, because I think it looks very fancy. This also looks very fancy, but it's more delicate, because it is smaller. It does seem more delicate, it just kind of hugs your wrist. So in terms of the size and dimensions, I actually really do like it. And of course, listen, you like the look because, of course, everybody likes the look of a Breitling Navi timer. But again, it says Sterling. Is that going to be okay with you? Is that going to be okay with it saying Sterling Original? For me, not too huge of a deal. It's not something I would necessarily fret over. But let's go over the specs here, okay? And then we'll get out of here. So I do not normally have my second phone, and I will display them on the screen here. I'm just going to read them off to you from my computer monitor up here, just because I don't have my phone. And what actually might be in the next unboxing video, just a quick tease, I got rid of my Samsung Galaxy phone that I had. I always carry these $1,000 Android phones, Galaxy Note, the new Galaxy S Plus, whatever. And I got tired of spending all the money on those expensive phones, so I actually just picked up for 400 something bucks. It just got delivered today. This is the Nord by OnePlus. So it's like a $400 phone that's supposed to be flagship similar, but obviously offer a way cheaper price. So perhaps I will unbox this on the channel just because, again, this is Unbox and Chill, watches, tech, everything. It's a lot of watches because, again, I love watches. But we'll check that out later, okay? So we'll put that to the side here. So let me go over the specs here for this particular watch. And I do have them here on my screen. Let's see here. So in terms of this particular watch, you're looking at a 20 millimeter band. And listen, guys, there's not a lot here. I mean, it's a $50 watch. You do have luminous index hands, a case thickness of 11.45 millimeters. Let's see here. They've got a screw-down fluted style crown. Let's see here with function pushers. They've got a steel fold-over clasp. I guess that's a feature. Let's see here. Applied indices, screw-down crown with a steel case back. Let's see here. Polished coin edge bezel. So you've got that polished coin edge bezel they're saying here. So like I said, I mean, it's not 5 ATM water resistance. So water resistance is not, it's just 50 meters here. So again, it's not a spec beast. I would say that, this is something that's going to be a look beast. It looks way more pricey, looks way more expensive than it actually is. And again, if you can't afford an Navi timer, why not? Okay. And most of us, including myself, I don't have a Navi timer. I cannot afford a Navi timer currently yet. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. Checking out this sterling with me. Would you wear this? Would you wear the sterling? I'm just curious. 20 millimeter band. I believe the case size is 40 millimeters. Let me see here. Yeah, case size of 40 millimeters. Would you wear this watch? It's a little on the small side. Obviously, they're trying to, it's an homage to a Breitling very, very clearly. Is that something that you think you could pull off? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to join our giveaway. Like I said, follow us on here. Give us a subscribe. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram, and then at the link in the comment section below, just go ahead and drop your email address, and then we will draw it on 1/1/21. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I'll see you with another video the day after tomorrow. So that's going to be Thursday. So thank you so much for watching. This is Unbox and Chill, signing out.